Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, refers to the strategies, processes, and technologies businesses use to manage and analyze customer interactions throughout the customer lifecycle. The primary goal of CRM is to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty by understanding individual customer needs and preferences. CRM systems centralize and organize customer data, allowing businesses to have a 360-degree view of each customer, including their purchase history, communication preferences, and support interactions. This comprehensive customer profile empowers sales, marketing, and customer service teams to provide personalized and targeted experiences, resulting in improved customer engagement and retention. CRM systems offer a range of features and functionalities, such as contact management, sales automation, marketing automation, customer service and support, analytics, and reporting. By streamlining and automating these processes, CRM helps businesses optimize their workflows, reduce manual tasks, and improve overall efficiency. Moreover, CRM facilitates collaboration and communication between different departments, breaking down data silos and fostering a customer-centric approach across the organization. With the ability to track customer interactions and measure key performance metrics, CRM enables data-driven decision-making and aids businesses in identifying opportunities for growth and areas for improvement. As a result, CRM has become an integral tool for businesses of all sizes and industries looking to build stronger, long-lasting relationships with their customers. Selecting the best customer relationship management system for your business can be a critical decision. A wrong decision can harm your business. Therefore, the following checklist and tips will help you when making an informed choice. Define your business needs. Choosing the best CRM starts with a clear understanding of your business needs. Take the time to identify the pain points and challenges your organization faces in managing customer relationships. Do you need better sales tracking, enhanced customer support capabilities, or improved marketing automation? Having a well-defined list of requirements will guide your search and prevent you from being swayed by flashy features that might not be relevant to your specific needs. Engage with key stakeholders and end users to gather their input and ensure that the chosen CRM aligns with your business goals. Scalability: businesses evolve and grow over time, so it's essential to select a CRM that can scale with your organization. A system that can accommodate a small team of a few users today may not be suitable when your company expands. Consider the CRM's capacity to handle an increasing number of customers, leads, and transactions. Scalability also pertains to the ability to integrate with additional software and tools that your business may adopt in the future. A scalable CRM ensures that your investment remains viable in the long term. User-friendly interface. The success of a CRM implementation heavily depends on user adoption. An overly complex or unintuitive interface can lead to resistance from employees, resulting in underutilization of the CRM system. Look for a CRM with a clean, user-friendly interface that requires minimal training and is easy to navigate. A well-designed CRM makes it effortless for your team to input and retrieve customer data, manage tasks, and generate reports. Conduct usability tests or request demos to gauge the CRM's user-friendliness before making a decision. Integration capabilities. A CRM operates most effectively when it can seamlessly integrate with other tools and software that your business relies on. Check whether the CRM can connect with your existing email marketing platform, e-commerce software, accounting tools, and more. Integration ensures data consistency and eliminates the need for manual data entry between systems, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Choose a CRM that offers robust APIs or pre-built integrations with popular third-party applications. Mobile accessibility. In today's fast-paced business environment, remote and mobile access to CRM data is essential. A CRM with a dedicated mobile app or a responsive web interface allows your sales representatives, field agents, and customer support teams to access crucial information on the go. With mobile accessibility, they can update customer records, track interactions, and manage tasks from anywhere, enhancing productivity and responsiveness. Customization options. No two businesses are exactly alike, so a one-size-fits-all CRM solution may not suffice. Seek a CRM that provides customization options to tailor the system according to your unique workflows and processes. Customization allows you to add or remove fields, automate specific tasks, create personalized reports, and adjust the CRM's appearance to match your brand identity. The ability to adapt the CRM to your business requirements ensures optimal efficiency and user satisfaction. Data security and privacy. CRM systems contain sensitive customer data, including contact information, purchase history, and communication records. Ensuring the security and privacy of this data is crucial to maintaining customer trust and compliance with regulations. Look for a CRM that offers robust data encryption during storage and transmission. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, verify that the CRM vendor complies with relevant data protection regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA, depending on your industry and location. Customer support and training. Selecting a CRM is not just about the software. It's about the overall customer experience with the vendor. Consider the level of customer support and training offered. Reliable customer support is essential for troubleshooting issues and getting timely assistance when needed. Adequate training ensures that your team can utilize the CRM to its fullest potential. Look for vendors that provide comprehensive training materials, webinars, and responsive customer support channels. Analytical and reporting capabilities. Data-driven decision-making is critical in modern business. A robust CRM should offer advanced analytical and reporting tools to help you gain insights from your customer data. Look for features like customizable dashboards, real-time reports, and data visualization options. These tools enable you to track key performance indicators, KPIs, monitor sales trends, measure marketing campaign effectiveness, and identify areas for improvement. Analytical capabilities empower your team to make informed decisions that drive business growth. Cost effectiveness. While it's essential to find a CRM that meets your business needs, cost effectiveness is equally crucial. Evaluate the total cost of ownership, TCO, of the CRM solution, considering both upfront expenses and ongoing costs. Compare pricing plans, licensing fees, implementation costs, and any additional charges for customization or integrations. Look beyond the initial price tag and assess the value the CRM provides in terms of increased productivity, customer satisfaction, and revenue growth. Balance the CRM's features and benefits against its cost to make a well-informed investment decision. Remember to involve key stakeholders from different departments while evaluating CRM options. Their input will provide a holistic perspective and ensure the chosen CRM meets the needs of the entire organization. Thank you for watching. Please contact us for more details or visit our website. Please subscribe for more informative videos. Also like and share.